Jadi materinya kali ini mengenai active voice dan passive voice. Nah, jadi active voice dan passive voice ini berbeda-beda ya, tergantung tensesnya. Nah, kita kan sudah pernah mempelajari tentang tenses, 5 tenses ya, yang sudah kita pelajari, yaitu simple present tense, ya, simple past tense, simple future tense, present perfect, dan present continuous. Jadi kita akan mempelajari juga passive voice-nya dalam tenses-tenses itu. Ya, yang pertama adalah simple present tense. Ya, simple present tense ini ya digunakan ketika untuk menyatakan sesuatu ya yang sifatnya tetap dan sering juga menyangkut suatu kejadian atau peristiwa ya yang terjadi di masa ini. Jadi formulanya yang digunakan untuk active voice itu subject, verb one, s atau es ya ditambahkan s atau es, kemudian diikuti oleh objek. Nah, sementara passive voice subjeknya adalah objek ya. Objek yang di dalam active voice itu dijadikan berpindah tempat ya. Yang tadinya sebagai objek dalam active voice, maka dia berubah menjadi subjek dalam passive voice. Sementara subjek dalam active voice, maka berpindah tempat menjadi objek dalam passive voice. Nah, kalau dan formulanya, jadi setelah subjek itu ditambahkan to be ya, yaitu is, am, dan are, tambah verb 3, baru diikuti oleh objek. Contohnya, bentuk aktifnya adalah keep, ya artinya menyimpan. Sementara passive formnya adalah is kept, ya. Ini ada to be-nya ya. Kemudian di sini ada bentuk ketiganya, yang artinya disimpan, ya. Dalam active voice-nya, contoh kalimat dalam active voice-nya, I keep the butter in the fridge. Aku menyimpan mentega di dalam kulkas. Dan sementara passive voice-nya, ya, the butter is kept in the fridge. Ya, mentega itu disimpan di dalam lemari es. Jadi di sini bisa dilihat ya, jadi bukan subjeknya pindah tempat ya. Jadi yang tadinya di sini sebagai objek adalah the butter, maka the butter ini pindah sebagai subjek ya. Kemudian diikuti oleh to be dan bentuk ketiga past participle ya, kept in the fridge. Ini bisa juga ditambahkan by me ya. I ini berubah menjadi me in the fridge. Selanjutnya adalah simple past tense. Nah, terusan ya. Simple past tense ya. Ini digunakan untuk menjelaskan suatu peristiwa yang telah terjadi di masa yang lampau ya. Contohnya formula yang digunakan untuk active voice, subject diikuti oleh verb to, baru kemudian oleh objek. Nah, sementara dalam passive voice ya, subjeknya adalah objek ya dalam active voice, ditambahkan was atau were dan ditambahkan verb 3. Baru kemudian diikuti oleh objek. Ya, objeknya adalah subjek ya di active voice, ya itu berubah menjadi objek. Contoh kalimatnya dalam active verb ya bentuk aktifnya kept, artinya di menjaga. Sementara passive formnya bentuk pasifnya adalah was kept, artinya menjaga atau dijaga ya, dijaga. Contoh kalimatnya, kalimat aktifnya, Mary kept her schedule meticulously. Nah, Mary menjaga schedule-nya dengan cermat. Sementara dalam passive voice-nya, Mary's schedule was kept meticulously. Jadwalnya Mary dijaga dengan sangat cermat ya, atau dengan sangat rapi. Ya. Jadi bisa juga ini the schedule was kept by Mary meticulously. Bisa ya. Selanjutnya kita masuk ke simple future tense. Simple future tense ya digunakan untuk mengekspresikan kejadian atau aksi yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Maka formula yang digunakan adalah active voice. Ya. Subject ditambahkan will. Oke, diulang ya Kak Sharon.
Sorry, Miss, itu
Ya.
di-connect.
Jadi formulanya, ya active voice-nya, subject ditambah will, ditambah verb one, baru diikuti oleh objek. Sementara dalam passive voice, subject ditambahkan will be, plus diikuti oleh verb 3, baru kemudian objek. Contoh kalimatnya, atau contoh bentuknya adalah ya, bentuk aktifnya adalah will keep, ya artinya akan menjaga, akan menyimpan. Sementara passive formnya adalah will be kept, ya, akan disimpan. Jadi contoh kalimatnya dalam active voice, Mark will keep the ficus. Ficus itu adalah tanaman ya, tanaman natural yang hidup di area tropis. Sementara dalam passive voice-nya, the ficus will be kept by Mark. Ficusnya akan disimpan oleh Mark. Lanjut, kita masuk ke present continuous tense. Present continuous tense adalah ya tenses yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan kejadian atau peristiwa, ya menyatakan sesuatu atau peristiwa yang kejadian ya, yang dilakukan pada saat ini juga, at this very moment. Contoh kalimat aktifnya, ya, subject ditambahkan to be, SMR ditambahkan verb ing, kemudian diikuti oleh objek. Sementara passive voice-nya, subject ditambahkan to be, SMR ditambah being, verb 3, kemudian objek. Contoh kalimat present. Contoh kalimat aktif dan pasifnya dalam present continuous tense adalah, ya bentuknya adalah active form, is keeping. Ya, artinya sedang menjaga. Maka dalam passive form is being kept. Ya, artinya sedang disimpan, sedang dijaga. Ya. Maka dalam active voice kalimatnya John is keeping my house tidy. John ya, sedang menjaga ya. John sedang menjaga rumahku rapi. Ya. Sementara passive voice-nya my house is being kept tidy by John. Rumahku ya, sedang dijaga rapi oleh John. Rumahku ya tetap rapi oleh John. Sementara yang atasnya John menjaga rumahku tetap rapi. Selanjutnya kita masuk ke present perfect tense. Ya, present perfect tense ya, ini tenses ya yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang telah selesai dikerjakan atau baru saja selesai. Baru saja selesai. Jadi kalau formulanya yang digunakan dalam active voice itu subject ditambahkan have atau has, diikuti oleh verb 3, baru kemudian objek. Sementara dalam passive voice, subject ditambahkan have atau has, diikuti oleh been, verb 3, baru objek. Contoh kalimatnya, contohnya adalah, active formnya adalah have kept, ya, artinya adalah telah menyimpan. Sementara passive formnya have been kept, ya, artinya telah disimpan. Contoh kalimatnya, active voice, I have kept all your old letters. Aku telah menyimpan semua surat lamamu. Sementara passive voice-nya adalah all your old letters have been kept by me. Semua surat lamamu telah disimpan olehku atau oleh saya. Sampai sini kira-kira ada pertanyaan dari Kak Sharon tentang active dan passive voice?
Enggak ada, Miss. Oh ya, Miss, saya mau pindah Zoom-nya ke iPad, Miss. Baterainya udah mau habis.
Oh iya, iya, iya. Boleh, boleh.
Miss. Oke, Miss.
Udah sambil menunggu ini ya. Keluar. Kan udah terima? Kak Sharon? Kak Sharon, can you hear me?
Bisa, Miss.
Oke. Udah bisa kelihatan ya? Have you seen the screen now? Passive voice.
Oh iya.
Saya nih, jadi ini merubah ya. Merubah change the sentence into passive voice. Jadi for number one, I will give you an example. I clean my room every day. Ya, kita tahu di sini adalah kata kerjanya kan adalah bentuk pertama nih, ya. Terus ada kata every. Jadi ini artinya simple past, simple present ya, present simple. Jadi di sini kamu bisa lihat ya rumusnya, formulanya untuk passive voice. Kalau present simple ya maka menggunakan to be baru kemudian past participle. Jadi past participle ini adalah verb 3 ya Kak ya. Jadi di sini objeknya kan adalah my room. Nah, jadi my room is cleaned, ada id-nya ya, by me every day. Selanjutnya next for number 2 for Kak Seren. Boleh nomor 2 dilanjutkan Kak Sharon?
Dibaca, Miss.
Ya.
Oh, I clean my room every day.
Can you change into passive voice?
My room clean every day.
My room cleaned by me every day. Is ya, jangan lupa. My room is cleaned by me every day. Okay, number 2.
Tom bought a nice present yesterday.
Ya. Ini tensesnya menggunakan tenses apa?
Tense. Past tense.
Ya, past tense. Ya. Terus objeknya apa? Objek dalam kalimat aktif itu. What is the object?
Present.
A nice present. Jadi a nice-nya kan kata sifatnya, menjelaskan bendanya. Present. Jadi a nice present. Kalau
Nice
pas simple. Ya, jadi lihat rumusnya. Ya, was
bought
ya,
by Tom yesterday.
ya betul ya. Jadi a nice present was bought by Tom yesterday. For number 3.
Anne will sing a beautiful song. A beautiful song will sing by Anne.
By Anne ya. Will bukan sing lagi ya, tapi berubah menjadi bentuk ketiga. Jadi bacanya sang ya. Will sang by Anne. A beautiful song will be. Jangan lupa pakai be ya untuk future simple. Will be sang by Anne. Number 4.
Ben repaired my computer yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
My computer was be repaired by Ben yesterday.
Yeah, my computer was repaired by Ben yesterday. Number 5.
My sister is making a tasty cake now.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Jadi objeknya apa?
Objeknya enggak, a tasty cake.
Ya, a tasty cake.
A tasty cake was.
Bukan was ya. Kan ini tensesnya bukan tenses past tense.
Present tense.
Ya, present tense. Jadi menggunakan apa present? Present continuous ya.
A tasty cake is made by my sister now.
Kan pakai being ya, present continuous. To be tambah being, verb 3 atau past participle. Jadi, a tasty cake ya, is being made by my sister now. Coba diulang Kak Syara.
Tasty cake is being made by my sister now.
Ya. Number 6. Next.
We have bought tickets to the concert.
Yeah.
The tickets is being bought.
Kenapa is? Ini coba dulu karena ada have. Jadi masuk ke tenses apa? Ada apa? Ada have atau has masuk tenses?
Present perfect.
Ya, present perfect. Jadi kalau present perfect ya, setelah have atau has ditambahkan been dan past participle.
The ticket
The ticket pakai have apa has?
has.
Ya, has ya.
The ticket has bought.
Has been, jangan lupa been-nya.
Has been bought by we.
By us, we-nya berubah ya menjadi us.
By us to the concert.
Ya, jadi objek pronoun ya, kata ganti objeknya. Jadi kalau misalnya subjek dia we, tapi ketika berubah menjadi objek, dia berubah menjadi us. Ya. Selanjutnya number 7.
Helen teaches French at school. French is being teaches by Helen.
French is
School.
teaches by Helen at school. Yeah, number 8. They
French.
Number 8.
Oh, they grow strawberries every year. Strawberries has been grown by them every year.
Strawberry has, sebentar, is, ya. Ini kan simple present. Is grown, ya. Bentuk ketiganya grown by them every year. Number 9.
SMS is sent by Tim to his friend.
Send-nya bentuk ketiganya apa? Bukan sended.
Send.
Ya, send. Jadi an SMS was sent by Tim to his friend. Okay, number 10.
She has written a test today.
Ya, written bacanya.
Oh. A test has written by her today.
Ya, jadi ingat ya, kalau ada has-nya jangan lupa pakai been. Present perfect. Have atau has pakai been ya dalam kalimat pasifnya. Coba diulang, Kak.
A test has been written by her today.
Ya, a test has been written by her today. Number 11.
They visited that museum yesterday.
Hmm.
That museum is that museum is visited by them yesterday.
Yeah, that museum was visited by them yesterday. Number 12.
I'm watching a football match now.
Mhm.
A football match is been watching by me now.
Is being watching by me now. Number 13.
Pom has found the keys in the table. The keys has been
Has been
found by Pom in the table.
by Pam, ya. Pam. The keys has been found by Pam in the table. Number 14.
Mona is washing the clothes now. The clothes is been washing by
Is
Mona
being,
now.
ya, being, ya. Is being
Being
washed, ya. Bentuk
washed.
ketiganya dari washing. Washing itu kan verb ing. Bentuk dasarnya wash. Bentuk ketiganya washed, ya. The clothes is being washed by Mona now. Next, lanjut Kak Sherry. Number 15.
You have made a lot of mistakes. A lot of mistakes have been made by you.
Have been made by you. Next, 16.
Bill will bring sandwiches. Sandwiches will bring by Bill.
Bring, bentuk pertama. Bentuk ketiganya apa?
Bring.
Brought.
Oh.
Will be. Jadi kalau future, jangan lupa setelah will itu ditambahkan be. Ya. Terus bentuk ketiga dari bring itu adalah brought. Ya. Sama kayak boat, itu tinggal ditambahin R aja. Brought. Brought. Coba diulang, Kak.
Sandwiches will be brought by Bill.
Will, ya, will be. Sandwiches will be brought, ya, by Bill. Number 17.
They attend lectures every day. Lectures is attended by them every day.
Yeah, lectures is attended by them every day. Number 18.
We are meeting the relatives now. The relative is being met
Yeah.
by us now.
Yeah, the relatives, are being met by us now. Number 19.
He will copy this text. This text will be copied by his.
Copy bentuk ketiga menjadi?
Copied.
Ya, copied. Ya. Jadi this text will be copied by him. Number 20.
He has bought a new car. A new car.
A new car.
Has been bought.
A new car has, kalau present perfect gimana?
Been
Mm-mm.
Bought by him.
Yeah. A new car has been bought by him. 21.
We are playing volleyball now.
Mm-mm.
Volleyball is being played by us now.
Yeah. Volleyball is being played by us now. Number 22.
Our teacher explained the rule. The rule is explained by our teacher.
Tensesnya apa?
Future. Enggak. Present perfect.
Our teacher explained. Ya, kalau present perfect kan ada has sama have-nya.
Possessive pronoun.
Possessive pronoun explain ya. Bukan possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun itu kan kata benda kepemilikan. Ya. Possessive pronoun, kata ganti kepemilikan. Ya. Kalau ini explained, ini kan bentuk ketiga. Bentuk kedua ya sebenarnya. Bisa bentuk kedua, bisa bentuk ketiga. Jadi ini adalah past simple. Ya, jadi nggak bisa pakai is. Kalau is itu kan simple present. Coba diganti Kak Sharon.
The rule was explained by our teacher.
Yeah, the rule was explained by our teacher. Number 23.
She translates the text every day. The
Yeah.
text was translated by her every day.
Translates ya. Kalau ada tambahan s atau es, ini jadinya bukan past simple ya. Kalau past simple kan ada bentuk ketiga. Ini jadi bentuk pertama ditambahkan s atau es. Jadi termasuk tenses apa? Dan ada kata every, time expressionnya every. Setiap.
Future tense.
Bukan. Simple present.
Oh.
Jadi menggunakan apa?
Have, has.
To be ya, SMR dan past participle. Coba diulang Kak.
The text is being translated by her every day.
Is langsung translated. Ya. Setelah is adalah translated, kan past participle. Ya, bentuk ketiganya. Jadi the text is translated by her every day. Jadi kalau ada time expressionnya every, itu artinya simple present. Lanjut, 24.
She is watching a comedy film now. A comedy film is being watched by her now.
Yeah. A comedy film is being watched by her now. 25.
He put the candle on the table. The candle was put by him on the table.
Yeah, the candle was put by him on the table. 26.
Pam has bought a new ring recently. A new ring has bought by Pam recently.
Has been ya. Jangan lupa kalau ada have atau has, ya present perfect-nya itu dalam passive voice-nya selalu menggunakan been. Ya. Jadi gimana diulang Kak?
A new ring has been bought by Pam recently.
Yeah, a new ring has been bought by Pam recently. 27.
He will correct the mistakes. The mistakes will be corrected by him.
Will be. Bukan will been, tapi will be.
Will be.
Jadi the mistakes will be corrected. Ya, bentuk ketiga dari correct. Corrected by him. 28.
I have got a beautiful present. A beautiful present have been got by me.
Have been got by me. A beautiful present have been got by me. 29.
The cat dropped the vase yesterday. The vase was dropped by the cat yesterday.
Yeah. The vase was dropped by the cat yesterday. 30.
I am playing the piano now. The piano is being
Being.
played by me now.
Yeah. The piano is being played by me now. Number 31.
He has turned off the TV set. The TV set has been turned off by him.
Yeah. The TV set has been turned off by him. 32.
We receive emails every day. Emails is being received by us every day.
Emails is received ya, langsung simple present tense ya ini. Emails karena bentuk kata kerjanya kan masih bentuk pertama ya. Emails is received by us every day. 33.
Nick is eating an ice cream now. An ice cream is being eaten by Nick now.
Ya, betul. Jadi bukan eaten ya, tapi ate ya. An ice cream is being ate by Nick now. Number 34.
She will lend money to her friends. Money will be lent by her to her friend.
Will be lent ya, pakai T ya untuk ketiganya. Money will be lent by her to her friend. Number 35.
I visit Paris every day.
Every year.
Every year. Paris was being visited by me every year.
Nggak bisa pakai was, kan ini bentuk kata kerja pertama. Jadi pakai ya. Coba diulang.
Paris is being visited by me every year.
Visitednya nggak usah pakai being lagi ya. Kan bukan bentuking. Jadi Paris is visited by me every year. Okay, 36. The last one.
He has already prepared the report. The report has been already prepared by him.
Yeah, the report has been already prepared by him. Okay. Selanjutnya ini kita ada conversation ya. Okay, picnics. Okay. Describe the two pictures. Which kind of picnic do you prefer? Ini ada picture number 1 and picture number 2. Boleh dideskripsikan Kak Sharon dari dua gambar di atas ini?
The picture one, the first picture is picnic in the hill.
In the hill, okay. What can you see from the picture? There is a man and a woman sitting on the Nah,
Oh, I can
you can
see
continue.
a couple.
Mm-mm.
A couple sit in on the hill
Mm-mm.
with so many
Food or fruits? Food,
fruits.
fruits. What are they wearing?
They wearing a jacket and a
What?
dress.
Mm-mm. What color of that?
The jacket is purple, the dress is white, and the hat is purple.
Okay, purple. Yeah. And for picture number 2, what can you see?
Picture number 2, I can see a family is doing a barbecue in the mountain.
In the mountain or in the garden? The mountain.
Mountain.
Mountain. Okay. What can you see from the picture?
I can see a camping camp,
Camping, tent, ya, tenda.
camping tent,
Hmm.
a table,
Hmm.
a mountain view,
Hmm.
and family with one dog.
Yeah, family with one dog. Which kind of picnic do you prefer from the picture?
Number 2, picnic.
Picture number 2. Picture number 2. Why? Can you describe the reason why?
Because picnic with family is more interesting than picnic with couple.
And picnic with partner, ya. Okay, for question number 2. Can you read?
When was the last time you went on a picnic? Where did you go?
Okay. When was the last time you went on a picnic? Where did you go?
Picnic. Picnic itu kayak makan di
Ya, misalnya kamu ke puncak, ya, bawa makanan dari rumah, itu namanya piknik.
bawa makanan dari rumah. Oh enggak, kayaknya enggak pernah deh, Miss.
Hah? You never do picnics? Nggak pernah ke piknik? Nggak pernah piknik?
Enggak.
Atau makan, misalnya traveling ke puncak, boleh makanannya dari luar, boleh. Makanannya beli di sekitaran itu juga boleh.
Last time-nya 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Where did you go?
I go to Bogor.
What did you do there?
I go there to.
Jadi kan kalau did, jadi nggak bisa pakai go ya. Pakai apa?
Went.
Ya, went.
I went there to to apa ya?
To a mountain, to the hill, to the beach maybe.
To the mountain.
To the mountain. Is it outside from the Jakarta?
Yes.
Oh. Is it in Bogor?
Iya.
What the name? Do you still remember the name?
Sentul.
Oh, Sentul. Yeah, near Bogor, yeah. Okay, for question number 3. What are the most important things to take on a picnic? What, ya menurut kamu, in your opinion, what are the most important things to take on picnic? Ya, jadi di sini kan karena are ya, jadi bendanya lebih dari satu ya, more than one.
Oh, a food, a drink, Kayak jacket, a blanket.
Oh, kalau if you mention a food, then makanannya cuma satu ya. A
Oh.
food, a drink, kan makanannya cuma satu. Satu makanan, satu botol minuman, a drink, ya. Benar nggak?
Nggak banyak.
Oh, jadi some food, some drinks.
Oh. Some food, some drinks, enggak. A jacket, a blanket,
a blanket,
some doll.
Some dogs.
Doll.
Oh, doll. Boneka.
Iya.
Oh, okay, some dolls. Okay, next question. What is the closest picnic spot to your home? What does it look like? Ya. Apa nih tempat buat piknik yang dekat dengan rumah kamu? Dan gimana kira-kira bentuknya?
Piknik yang dekat sama rumah.
Lokasi piknik yang dekat dengan rumah areanya.
Beach.
Beach. What the name of the beach?
Apa ya?
What is the name of the beach?
White Sand Beach.
White Sand Beach. In bahasa? Pasir putih.
Kayaknya pasir putihnya buatan.
Oh, oke. Okay. Apa itu? Buatan ya, pasir putih. Pantai pasir putih. Ya. Oke. Okay. What does it look like? Seperti apa bentuknya?
There are many food store.
Many food stall or food stores?
Food stores.
Food stores. Yeah.
And the wine is strong.
And
there are so many people.
And there are so many people. There were ya. Okay. Number 6. If you were taking a date on a picnic, where would you go? Ya, jika kamu nih pergi piknik dengan pasangan kamu atau pacar kamu, kira-kira kamu mau pergi kemana?
Go to the
I will go to the park, to the garden.
To the garden, maybe.
To the garden. And what would you do? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan? Walking near the garden and maybe pick up some fruits. No, it's not a fruits garden yet. Okay, number 7. What do you usually sit on when you have a picnic? Ya, piknik itu kan biasanya di taman, ya, di kebun, gitu ya. Kalau misalnya kamu piknik gitu, kamu duduknya di mana nih?
In the chair.
In the chair?
On the chair.
On the chair. So I usually, you can answer.
On the chair.
Yeah, I usually sit on a chair when I have a picnic. Ya, seperti itu ya, how to answer-nya. Number 8. How do you keep drinks cold when you are picnicking?
By thermos.
Termos apa? Termos dingin itu ya?
Iya,
Apa namanya?
cold
Bahasa Inggrisnya.
thermos.
Termos?
Cold.
Cold ya? Ya. By using thermos. Cold atau portable ya. Portable thermos. Ya. Portable fridge ya. Kulkas ya, portable. Okay. What number are we now?
9.
Number 9. By using, yeah. How do you keep drinks cold when you're picnicking? By using a portable thermos or portable fridge. I keep drinks cold. Okay, number 9. What kinds of drinks are best to take on a picnic in a park?
The drinks is best to take on a picnic in a park is a juice.
Is it juice? Juice in the homemade juice? You made buy your own juice or you can buy from the store?
Made and buy.
Made and buy. Yeah. Homemade. Yeah. Homemade and buy outside. Yeah. Okay, for question number 10. Besides relaxing and eating, what activities do you like to do on a picnic?
Eating.
Eating? Kan selain bersantai dan makan, ya, aktivitas apa yang kamu suka lakukan di piknik? Selain bersantai dan makan, aktivitas apa yang kamu suka lakukan saat kamu piknik? Apa kira-kira?
Seeing the view.
Seeing the beautiful view. Ya. Yeah, seeing the beautiful view. What else? Yeah, because this is activities, yeah, more than one activity.
Playing game.
Playing games, yeah. Playing games online or playing games?
Playing games.
With with
Offline.
friend
or watching a film in handphone.
Oh, mobile, yeah, or watching Netflix, yeah, from mobile, from the TV. Okay. Okay, Kak Sharon, thank you for participating, yeah, to the class, in the class tonight. Do you have question about passive and active voice?
No.
No. I will give you a homework. Homeworknya ya, membuat ya one paragraph about passive voice, active and passive voice. Boleh passive voice aja ya. Passive voice menggunakan, oke, buat minimum one paragraph tentang menggunakan passive voice ya. Okay, do you have another question about homework before we end the class?
No, Miss.
No? Okay. Ya, kalau gitu, we end this class. Yeah, we end this class now, and we will meet again in another session. Ya, Kak Sharon.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Yeah, thank you so much and have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.